Alrighty guys, so you can see we're putting the final touches on this LDV, Kia Tasman, right? One of my favorite new utes. I'm gonna go over to this one. All right, there's guys over here too. That's all right, I just wanted to point out a few little bits and pieces. We're gonna do a full fitting video for this one fairly shortly, but in the interim, we're just gonna go through, have a bit of an assembly video, and then go through about what the finished product looks like. So for you guys out there, it should still be pretty straightforward to figure out how to fit one of these. You can see the technicians are putting the final touches on some of the central locking bits and pieces. This one, we're adding the optional central locking to the canopy as well. But more importantly, you can see how you've got your OEM sort of fitting. The brackets go down and actually go off the OEM tie downs, right, to secure it. No need to put any additional clamps on. And you can see the same thing at the front side there. So once you get it assembled, get it onto the back of the ute, the rest of it is pretty straightforward to fit down. Now, want to grab one for yourself, all your Tasman owners out there, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Hopefully you enjoyed the assembly video. The assembly is kind of the hard part of these ones. This particular ute is getting additional racks and all that type of stuff added to it as well. We're adding some additional racks to the front of it as well. But all of those are all additional options if you need it, okay? Canopy itself is rated up to 300 kilograms, which makes it absolutely awesome for heavy duty applications, or if you want to get a rooftop tent on there. Okay, other than that, Chris, OZ Canopies and 4x4, and we'll see you guys on the next one.